Preparation of aldehydes and ketones from alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones can be prepared from alcohols by oxidation. Now if you see, if I take primary alcohol RCH2OH, primary alcohol on oxidation gives aldehyde. Secondary alcohol on oxidation gives ketone. But here, if I use an oxidizing agent like KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, if I use oxidizing agent like KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, which are very strong oxidizing agents, alcohol gets oxidized to aldehydes, aldehyde gets further oxidized to give carboxylic acids. I am repeating again, primary alcohols when treated with KMnO4 will get oxidized to aldehydes. The formed aldehyde will further get oxidized to give carboxylic acids, and all the three compounds, primary alcohols, aldehydes and carboxylic acids, will have same number of carbon atoms. Coming to secondary alcohols when treated with strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7 will get oxidized to give ketones. Ketones on further oxidation, ketones get further oxidized to carboxylic acids having less number of carbon atoms. Means secondary alcohols on oxidation will give ketones having same number of carbon atoms as that of secondary alcohol, but ketones on oxidation will give carboxylic acids having less number of carbon atoms. So here we want to prepare aldehydes and ketones from carboxylic acids. So how to prepare aldehydes and ketones? We have to stop the reaction at aldehydic stage and ketonic stage. Means aldehyde and ketone formed here should not get further oxidized to give carboxylic acids. So what we have to do here? We should use mild oxidizing agents. If I use mild oxidizing agents like pyridinium chlorochromate and pyridinium dichromate or CrO3 in glacial acetic acid. CrO3 in glacial acetic acid, the oxidation stops at aldehydic and ketonic stage. The oxidation stops at aldehydic and ketonic stage. And you will not get, aldehyde and ketone will not get oxidized to give carboxylic acid. So how to prepare aldehydes and ketones from alcohols? Primary alcohols give aldehydes and secondary alcohols give ketones when treated with oxidizing agents like pyridinium chlorochromate, pyridinium dichromate and CrO3 in acetic acid.